Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to connect a Bluetooth device to your Xiaomi LED TV. Scroll down to enter the accessories mode with the OK button. Tap on Add Accessory and the TV will look for your smartphone. Turn on Bluetooth on your smartphone and connect to your TV. As you can see, the TV has a Chinese name, so click on it and accept the pair on both the smartphone and the TV. You can open YouTube on your smartphone and cast a video to the TV. This is how it looks. Thank you for watching. Leave a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to the channel.